All right, welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 7430 Ballinger Avenue, which is a meticulously remodeled 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-story house with a double master upstairs and downstairs, built in 1967 with 2,133 square feet towards the end of a cul-de-sac street at the base of Cowles Mountain here in the San Carlos neighborhood of San Diego, 92119. This house is in the Gage Elementary School boundaries for K through 5th grades, which is just over a half-mile away. It feeds into Pershing Middle School for 6th and 8th grades, which is just under a mile from the house, and Patrick Henry High School, which serves 9th through 12th grades and is about 2.5 miles away. My name is Jesse Morrison, and I'm going to be walking you through the floor plan so you can see how it flows, and while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before getting started, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description section below where you can book a call directly on my calendar. That way, if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about what your next best steps are in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. All right, let's get into it. All right, so out front, the first thing that I noticed about this house is the street that it's on. You're on a private cul-de-sac. Many of the houses are being redone, including the one right across the street here. So you got tons of pride of ownership on the street. You got Cowles Mountain right behind the house. Another thing is, look at all the bright natural colors from the bushes here, the grass and the trees, all the pretty flowers. They really look nice against the black and white backdrop of the house. You got this long driveway. You can park multiple cars here, or you can put like a basketball hoop right there where the kids can play. There's vinyl fencing. And notice up top you have a lot of skylight features, which I'll show you throughout the house as we're walking through. We have these modern features as well, including like these lights here, which I'll show you, and this nice luxurious front door. There's rain gutters to keep the water away from the house. But as you enter, I want you to notice how bright and open this floor plan is, right? You have the big kitchen here. To the right, you got a big living space and another one over there. You have natural light here. You got the recessed lighting up there. You got lighter floors, wood floors here. You got lighter paint colors on the walls. It's just so bright and open. You got these double coat closets right at the entry, which would be a great spot for coats, or you can use one of them for coats, one of them for shoes. You can put a bunch of shelves in one of these closets to keep all the shoes away and hidden. But look at how large this living space is here. There's tons of space for multiple sitting areas, right? You could, here, let me show you this fireplace. It has one of those wood burning inserts right here, which puts off a ton of heat. I like this mantle here, and the light wood color flows with the rest of the house. I like how it oversees the kitchen. Everything is this like open floor plan, and look how wide this island is. It's huge, right? Plenty of space for 4 chairs. And I'm going to show you the cabinets underneath here, but look how wide this island is. Lots of counter space. But under here, you have these cabinets, which would be a great place to put, games for the living space. There's, those cabinets extend all the way out there for the sitting. You can put, anything that you would use to entertain guests, stuff that you wouldn't use all the time, but that is a great place to store a bunch of stuff. Over here is, your pantry, right? You got brand new cabinets all throughout. I love the gold poles And this is a side-by-side Samsung refrigerator. It's brand new, other than, you know, that halfway used gallon of milk in there. Pardon that. And here's your freezer side. So lots and lots of space on the side-by-side. Notice all the tile, it goes all the way up to the ceiling, that backsplash. These are quartz counters. All throughout here too, you have a gas range, gas stove with a nice hood over the top. So here's one of those natural light features that I told you I'd be pointing out to you. Here is a porcelain farmer sink, very nice touch. Looks beautiful in here, right? It's nice and wide. And the dishwasher, I mean, notice even the design here, the dishwasher flows with the design of the refrigerator. And you have this waterfall feature on the island. All these little things, these little touches extend throughout the house and just makes it feel really nice. You got the recessed lighting. The windows have the grid on them over here as well. Look at how much natural light is in this room. You have skylights, 2 of them. You have all of these windows, just pours in natural light that goes in throughout the rest of the house as well. So they have this room set up and staged as like a little dining area, but it can be used for so many different things. You could put a ping pong table out here. You could put a pool table out here. There's so much natural light. If you like plants, you could do like an inside nursery. There's just so many options. But look at the color scheme. It's got this beautiful beach feel. This is where all the bedrooms are downstairs. You have this one that's staged as like a little office. Out there is the neighbor house. You have sliding glass closet doors like that. You got the tall baseboards here. The floors carry on throughout the whole house down here. So this bathroom services 3 of these bedrooms, right? This one and the other 2. Over here is the master, so it's going to obviously have its own bathroom, which I'll show you in a sec. But this bathroom, notice the features, or the fixtures, all the gold. Again, you got more natural light here. The theme continues, right? I want you to pay attention to the color scheme here. Look at the gray herringbone tile layout with the gold trim. Looks super luxurious. And then you have, you know, your linen closet. There's plenty of space in here for all your towels and bedding. Bedroom number 2. They have these plantation shutters on the windows. It's a nice feature. Okay, there's the master we'll get to in last, but here's bedroom number 3. This one faces the front of the house, out east. Of all that light pours in here as well. Just this whole house feels so bright and open. All right, so finally you have the master that's downstairs. There's another master upstairs, which we'll get to a little bit later. But these plantation shutters cover, you got 2 closet spaces, his and hers. There's plenty of space along this wall for a nice sized bed. When we open up these closets, pretty simple inside, right? Nice and clean. The wood floors carry on in here as well. Let's go ahead and make our way over to the bathroom. Again, you got the herringbone design, the gray colors, the gold trim, this nice big heavy glass door. Love that. And then this custom vanity fits perfectly in here. Notice the nice lighting fixtures, the gold mirrored, everything's framed gold. I want you to notice, like, as we walk out through the hallway and stuff, all the hinges, all the doorknobs, everything matches. It's all gold. and it just flows so well with the house. Here is the HVAC system. You got new heating and air, central heating and air throughout the house. So out here is, you can exit to the backyard through this door, or through that door, or through the garage. There's another exterior door there as well. I'll get to in just a minute. But before we go there, I want to just finish up inside the house and take you upstairs to the next master suite. Notice the wood ceilings. The wood carries on for the staircase. And as we look back, you got a nice little light fixture up there. Very pretty. But look at how beautiful this big master is. It's all this natural light floods into the house, these beautiful ceilings. So out this way is north. You got the mountains, you got Cowles Mountain to the left there, right, out the balcony. But those beautiful beam ceilings are just so pretty. Looking out towards the front of the house, again, you got that long driveway, you got the cul-de-sac. I mean, you're just watching the kids play, or you got a newer roof over there. All right, going into this master bathroom, the herringbone design stays here. There's so much consistency and congruency in this house. You got the gold lighting fixtures that match. From downstairs, you got this big vanity with tons of cabinet space and counter space. Notice a large shower feature here, and pay attention to the design of the tiles there. Look at all the texture on the tiles. It's very pretty. You got the heavy glass door in here as well. Feels super luxurious. So this closet space, this would be the only thing I would change, is I'd make this closet space bigger. And I'll show you what I would do, because you can't necessarily make it larger from where it is. You have to like move this wall out this way and build it out. And the reason for that is, well, so you take it, you bend it out like 3 feet, come across, and you could have like a little hallway right there so you can access your bathroom again. But you can't move the wall this way because you wouldn't be able to access the stairwell. So you just, take it out here. You'd bring it out here, and it wouldn't interfere with this house or this room because there's so much space, right? So let's go ahead and go out to the private balcony and show you what that looks like. So here you got Cowles Mountain in the background. It feels super peaceful out here. There's your matching modern light fixtures that carry on for all the exterior. Let me know in the comments below if you would do something different with that closet space. Also let me know too if you like the fact that there's 2 en-suites, one master upstairs and one downstairs. So here's the garage. Right, notice out here, all the floors have been redone as well. You got a new garage door. This is where your laundry would go. You got a new water heater over here. So this barbecue set here, it's still in the box. It still needs to go out here into the exterior kitchen. So you got a refrigerator, mini fridge, the barbecue set, and then the doors come out here. Let me just show you where they go real quick. So coming out here, you have this covered outside barbecue space, outside kitchen. You're gonna have countertops right here. You're gonna put the barbecue right here. The mini fridge goes here, and then the doors come here, right? And then even out here, you have a skylight, right? So everything is congruent. Notice so we just came from the garage here. Notice the pavers, they carry on, pardon the weeds. They just keep growing. I like this little tree here. I think this is a tangerine tree. Can you tell? I think that's a tangerine. There's not very many of them on there right now. But you could also exit to the backyard through this door here, right? So that's that dining room. You could come out from this way to access your exterior kitchen. You got the vinyl fencing and this big garden space here for planting whatever it is that you want to plant. You can see Cows Mountain again in the background. So the pavers carry on out this direction as well. So if you came out from the house this way, imagine putting a big table out here, or nice sitting area here. You got this fire pit over here. Once you clean out some of these weeds, you put a couple chairs around the fire pit and have another nice entertaining area. And then up on the roof, you have the solar panels facing south. Beautiful home, isn't it? Thanks so much for touring 7430 Ballinger Avenue with me. If you found any of this information, helpful or beneficial, please just make sure to hit that like button to support our channel. That way I can continue to make more content just like this one. Again, my name is Jesse Morrison. And if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, go ahead and use that link in the description section to book your free call directly on my calendar. That way we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I recommend that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate in our housing market.